TV drums like zzz, 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 ka, 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 boom, boom, 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 ka. Like an electric fan harp. Finished. Please come our performance. I'm Eiwada.
My name is Matsuri Hattori.
I'm Sonosuke Yamamoto.
We are Electronicos Fantasticos from Neo-Tokyo in Japan. We play old electrical appliances such as electric fan or CRT TV and PC cooling fan, and we transformed them into musical instruments. We called our music electromagnetic music. Every time changing and create the song for this time.
Yeah. You used Jeddah TVs or TVs from home?
Jeddah TV.
Yeah.
Because rhythm is like a language, so we speak Japanese, but so they don't Japanese. They speak Japanese, so they speak Arabic, and they don't. So of course, so you have different things. But in playing music, so or playing music, so maybe something is happen.
Yeah, something is happen.おーみたいな。ありがとうございます。僕らを呼んでくれて。
シュクラン。
シュクラン。ありがとう。シュクラン。
シュクラン。
Anything that touches my heart is my favorite music. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daisuke Tanabe, and I'm making electronic music from Japan. My music style is like kind of detailed. Some people say it's messy in a way, but also tidy. So it's like so many elements inside. I started my music career from like, not a career, but you know, I started making music when I was 12 or something. I think some common thing is like people are really kind.
Do you ever listen to Arab music?
Arab music, yes.
Oh, what do you listen to?
I don't know the name, but yeah, I bought a 4 cassette tape.
Oh.
Yeah, from a local tape shop. So I would like to say, like, to making art or like music, there is no right answer. So if you ever want to making anything, then just do what you want, what you make yourself happy. You don't have to afraid to have a mistake. You know, there is no right answer. So you know, sometimes you ended up making something that you never imagined in the beginning. You know, even the mistake have a good meaning.
Yeah.
So I think that's an important thing. So